Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Thomas, coming back at you with yet another controversial video. Halbert, back at it again with yet another controversial video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a full face of brands that took me off their PR list. When you are a controversial, opinionated, honest YouTuber, and you give honest product reviews and you don't kind of blow smoke up brand's ass, and you kind of take things for their reality and what they are, brands tend to not like it, which makes sense. Totally makes sense. No hate. This is literally not a video to send hate or send anger or send anything towards any of these brands. This is literally just a good old kiki, some fun. That's all this video is. But when you're an honest YouTuber, beauty YouTuber that is, and you review products and you don't like certain products, you tend to piss them off. Like, I mean, I get it. Like, I wouldn't want to send products to someone that I know that doesn't like my brand's products. Like, I get it. Obviously, not all brands are the same. I have so many brands that still work with me because even if I kind of give them a bad review or anything like that, brands like Too Faced, oh my god, I put Too Faced through the ringer, trust me. Brands like MORPHE, they still send me products even though I have dragged their makeup through the mud. Freaking Kat Von D still sends me product, and I've been roasting her the past few videos. So there is definitely a lot of good brands that can take constructive criticism or just don't even care. But there are those brands that only will send products to people that will actually give them a good review regardless, which in my opinion is just a little bit manipulative and shady, but you know, who cares about my opinion, am I right? Can I get some volume in this toupee, please? But anyways, that is going to be today's video. Full face of brands that actually took me off of PR. Now, instead of just taking a bunch of products that I hate from these brands, I have tried to take products that I actually enjoy from these brands and not make this another full face of products that I hate, because I know you guys are getting tired of me just roasting products all the time. I get it. So if you are not already subscribed, I'd love to have you a part of this little family we have going on here. We are pretty chill over here and we enjoy memes. While you're down there, hit that bell notification button so you are notified when I do post a video, and hit that all option when you get that pop-up thing or whatever. Like this video if you like this video, dislike it if you dislike it, and leave a comment down below telling me how ugly I look. Alright, let's go on into the video. Whoa, I had too much coffee today. Okay, let's start off with these caterpillars on my face. First brand, actually this brand put me back on PR. Okay, so I don't know what happened. So back in 2016, Anastasia and Beverly Hills had like a huge overhaul of their PR list. The way I finessed my way onto Anastasia's PR list in the first place was I had this company, I'm not gonna say their name, they're like brand relations person, like reached out to Anastasia before me, like on my behalf or whatever. And oh my god, like it worked. They have their like creators for this brand that post videos for them and stuff like that for their like subscription service. And so I kind of like low-key finessed my way onto that PR list because Anastasia did not know who the fuck I was. And then a year later they had like a huge overhaul of their PR list. No shade there. Like, girl, take off who you want to take off. This is your business, not mine. Norvina recently just reached out to me and she sent me a huge, really sweet message, and we had like a time to converse and stuff like that. She just put me back on Anastasia PR and sent me a whole bunch of new products. So thank you, Norvina. You are the queen, the OG. For brows today, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade and probably the Brow Wiz. So I'm going to use the Anastasia Brow Wiz Pomade to do my brows. You guys don't need to see this at all. So okay. Kevin, do some cool editing or something. Okay, so these brows are fucking awful and really big, and just, I forgot how pigmented Anastasia brow pomades are. So moving on into a primer, we have the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. There's no tea behind this one either. I just got one PR package from Smashbox and never got one after that. I really just don't know what happened there. Not mad, not pressed, just was taken off, I guess. They didn't want to send me PR anymore, and that's totally fine. This primer is actually pretty good too. Let's move on into foundation. I didn't really have any other foundation to use. We are going to be using the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. I never threw this away or got rid of this, to be honest. I don't know why. It has an unnecessary amount of fragrance in it that like is extremely nauseating. The coverage is there, trust me. Like, there's not an issue with the coverage. This fragrance is so much. So I was taken off of this PR list for obvious reasons. If you guys don't know the tea, me and Huda Beauty aren't on the best of terms. In a sense of like, she got me fucked up. And she got a lot of y'all fucked up as well. She got Beauty Bakery fucked up. She got a lot of people fucked up. Because she be wildin'. I don't think I've ever had to say this before, but this foundation shade is too light for me. I don't want to go into depth about like all the stuff that pisses me off about Huda Beauty because you'll be here this entire video. But what I will say is I have several videos on it, which is so sad. This foundation is unbelievably cakey, like on another level cake. She took me off her PR list immediately after my full face of products that I hate video, the first one I ever did, like immediately. And that's fine. I'm not pressed. Girl, your products are horrible, Miss Huda Beauty. And that's just all I'm gonna say about that. All right, let's move on to concealer. For concealer today, I'm going into the Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer. I didn't know that's what it's called. Shape Tape Concealer. This guy right here, I've completely discontinued use of this in most, if not all, Tarte Cosmetics products. You know what's crazy about Tarte Cosmetics is that the whole foundation drama is not the reason why I got kicked off. I got kicked off of Tarte Cosmetics PR because in a video I reviewed this new powder that they just released and I absolutely hated it. Like, I did not like it at all. This wasn't a good powder. That happens. And Tarte Cosmetics is definitely known for taking people off of PR lists if you don't like their product. It's so weird that there's brands like that out there. It's normal to have some products that just aren't it, you know what I mean? Since we're here, I'm gonna take it there. Listen, Tarte, just because you send me a Roomba, you send me an Apple Watch for free that I broke, sorry, rest in peace. You take me on vacations to random places, or you offered me to and I've declined. Or you send me free product, or you try to send me gift cards all the time, does not mean I'm going to give you a positive product review. You cannot buy my honesty. You cannot buy that. I don't do that, so I don't know why you're trying to do that. I know it works on a lot of other influencers, but it doesn't work on me. And once they realize that, of course they're gonna take me off that PR list. So what, like, because of course, like, why would they spend hundreds of dollars sending me a PR package that has like a fucking iPhone in it if I'm just not gonna like the product that they're gonna send me afterwards? You know what I mean? And Tarte Cosmetics is one of those brands that are really kind of hanging on by a thread as far as like popularity, as far as like relevancy, and as far as like sales go, because they're kind of dying down. Let me blend out this concealer. I'm also going to use the Huda Beauty tired ass fucking translucent powder. Thank you, Kenneth, for letting me borrow this. I'm not mad at the powder. I think the Beauty Bakery powder is a little bit better though. I am so pale. To contour, we have the KKW contour kit. Y'all know I have a whole review on this. I like the contouring shades. I don't like the highlighting shades. I'm not going to be using the highlighting shades today, but I will be using this shade right here to contour my face, which is the shade Contour 2. So with KKW Beauty, there's no like tea with this either. My manager got me on the PR list of KKW because she knew someone that had the email to get on the PR list. They sent me the KKW X Mario collection. I did a review video. They posted me on their Insta story. They followed me on Instagram. I got one PR package after the KKW X Mario collection and then never again. Like, ever again. I don't know if they finally saw the review of this, which I'm not pressed about. I think KKW has a little bit better quality products than Kylie, and that's no shade. I think she's putting a little bit more time and effort into a lot of the stuff. So like I said in my review video, I really love the contour shades. I feel like this is too red for pale skin tones, but this shade is really nice. If you have yellow undertones, I don't know how it would work if you have pinker undertones. I could just imagine them up there, like one of the PR people, one of the social media people were just like, let's check them out, let's see what's going, like, let's see. And then they saw my review on this and they're like, girl, bye. Work hard, just like get hard back. So moving on into Becca Cosmetics, I'm gonna use their bronzer. I know I'm like being extra the fuck by contouring and bronzing. I used to do that all the time. I don't do it as much anymore, but I'm going into Ipanema Sunlit Bronzer. Becca took me off their PR list because I reviewed their powder. No, I put that powder in a full face. That full face of products I hate video got me in so much trouble with brands. My first one. I put this back, like this powder that they just, oh my God, I am so ignorant. They launched a new primer and this powder that was in like this square packaging. They flew me and Kevin out. Had me up in this bougie ass hotel in New York City. And I was like, oh my God, cute. I go home, try this powder, and I fucking hated it. Like, I did not like it at all because it like darkened the under eyes. It made no sense. Great for people with deeper skin tones, but they were trying to sell it as like a universal powder. So I was like, girl, universal wear. So I didn't like it, obviously, because it just didn't work with my skin tone or whatever. Oh my God, I am a bitch. Just like even thinking about, like, imagine flying an influencer out just to have them roast your product when they get home. That's not my problem. Whatever. Basically, the launch they flew me out for was for this powder and this other product that I really liked, by the way. And yeah, so they just took me off immediately after that. Like, immediately after that video. That was so ignorant of me. Anyways, moving on into a blush, we have Miss Marc Jacobs. There's no tea behind this one either. I just like, I think I never updated my address with them, so they just eventually took me off PR list. They took me off the PR list because the people that so the address they were sending packages to were returning them for obvious reasons because I lost the Marc Jacobs email. So they just eventually took me off the PR list. But I'm gonna go into their blush, which is actually really good. I really like this blush. Oh, it's in the shade Lines and Last Night. Oh my God. Can they do that? Can they call something Lines and Last Night? Can they do that? Is that allowed? Is that allowed? Come on, rosacea. Okay. Next up, for highlighter, we have the Jouer powder highlighter in the shade Topaz. I don't even know if this is going to be good for me. They took me off of PR because I roasted them. I roasted them for like a product that they were releasing. I don't even want to say it because like me and this person have talked things out and so on and so forth. And we're good now. But like I roasted them for releasing a product with someone that was for a good cause. I'll leave. I'm gonna I lied. I'm gonna go into shade Citron. It's just a little bit lighter. These highlighters are so beautiful and so pigmented. Like, I love these powders so much. These highlighters. They can emphasize texture a lot though. That's the only downside with these powders. Okay, this isn't like a brand that took me off a PR list, but because I can't get enough of this product so much, I'm putting the Fenty Beauty How Many Carats highlighter on top of that, just because this is such a good fucking highlighter. Okay, so moving on into eyes, we have the Kylie Cosmetics, the bronze palette. There's really no tea behind this either. It's just, back when she initially launched her brand, she sent me like this huge care package and like never sent me anything ever again. Well, she sent me a couple things after. She sent me the bronze palette and a couple more things after that. But after that, like, never again. And I honestly don't know why. Like, maybe because I never posted about it. And I've never used this. Like, maybe I've used this once. Nothing about Kylie Cosmetics interests me, like, even in the slightest bit. But I'm going to go into this palette today for, like, probably the first or second time. Eyes are primed. I'm just going to set my eyes. I'm not doing anything crazy or creative. Obviously, I can't really do much with this. So I'm just going to kind of set my eyes with Jasper. Here, let me give you an up close. So these are the shades of the palette. I'm not doing a crazy, intense, like, insane eye look. Like, obviously, I can't do much with this palette. It's a basic ass palette, like, duh. So now going into Citron, I'm going to kind of just run it through the crease. These shades definitely are pigmented, that's for sure. So I don't know if you can see, but I just put some concealer, did like a little halo cut crease thing, and put a little bit of that Fenty highlighter on top. And then I just smoked it out under here. I'm gonna put a little inner corner highlight right there, put some lashes on, do mascara, and then we can get right into lips. I feel like this video is a little bit of a quick one. Let me finish up this eye off camera, put some lashes on, and then we can get right into lips. Do I even have lips? We'll find something. Okay. BRB. Okay, so I tried like a new pair of lashes. They're the shade. They're the style Goddess from Lily Lashes. I've never tried this style of lashes before. They're super like not bold. So I'm kind of out of my comfort zone here. But moving on to lips. So I'm just going to finish off this look with Anastasia Stripped Liquid Lipstick. I love her liquid lipsticks. A lot of people don't like them, but I like them. Alright guys, this is the finished look with full face of brands that took me off their PR list. No shade, no drama, no none of that, please. This is all in good fun. This is all in good spirits. I have no hate or anger towards any of these brands. Please do not turn this into like a negative. This is just me talking about brands that took me off a PR list and why they did and all that stuff. I really enjoyed filming this video. I really like this look. It's super like, this is like my version of natural glam. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I have been on a roll filming videos for you guys. I have been pre-filming everything. I like these little like after video chats. Like to those of you, to the 50% that makes it to the end of my videos. Hi, what's going on? Like hashtag are you the 50% that makes it at the end of every video? Like comment down below, let me know. So update through these days of pre-filming. I'm just like really excited to be one of those YouTubers that get to say that they're pre-filming or whatever. Like I'm pre-filming, like, and I'm doing a really good job. Like I have been pre-filming every single day since I booked this plane ticket back home. So like I've been doing a really good job. I'm gonna have content out for you guys. I think I might switch it instead of like twice a week for the 2 weeks that I'm gone. I might do it once a week. Maybe 1 week we'll only just have one video. I haven't decided yet. I'm just trying to figure out. I'm like scrambling for video ideas that are interesting for you guys, for like I can do fun stuff, easy to post stuff while I'm gone, just so you're not missing out on any content. And YouTube does this thing where if you don't post videos for a long time, they're like, bye sis, we're not gonna push your videos. Anyways, you guys don't care about that. But anyways, I love you guys so much, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Also comment down below. I don't know, just comment down below. Let's have a little chit chat in the comment section. Anyways, okay, I love you guys, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye, guys.